Have you ever lied when you were a kid? Probably. Here's the problem with lying. We as adults, depending upon our background, have a really hard time defining what lying really is. Lying is a refusal, not so much a disrespect. And I know what you're thinking right now. You're rewinding in your brain, your automatic thought, the way you were raised, the way you were taught. Absolutely, I get that. But if we continue to look at lying as disrespect, we're going to take it personally. Lying is a refusal to do something, refusal to admit you've done something, usually because you want to avoid the repercussions. And so it definitely serves a purpose. The more that we look at lying as a refusal, the more we can get to the bottom as to why are you lying? Because the bottom line is we've got to teach kids techniques for them to own their behavior, be responsible, and be able to come to me and say, I did it, or I didn't do it, or yes, I broke that. Because that is going to help them as they build responsibility through life. So if you can connect lying to a breach, if you will, of responsibility and get kids to be more responsible by treating lying as refusal versus disrespect, it will help them in the long run and also help you not get emotional and take that personally.